If your daily tasks feel overwhelming, Notion AI can completely reshape how you work. Most people spend hours switching between apps for writing, planning, summarizing, and organizing. Notion AI centralizes all of that into one intelligent workspace. Notion AI writes emails, summarizes long texts, plans projects, extracts tasks automatically, and even builds entire databases for you. More importantly, it understands structure, meaning you don't just get answers, you get systems. Here are 3 powerful ways professionals use it. First, automatic documentation. Paste meeting notes or upload files, and Notion instantly produces summaries, task lists, and organized pages. Second, smart planning. You can ask it to create timelines, checklists, content calendars, or action steps, and it adapts to your field. Third, content creation. Scripts, posts, proposals. Notion drafts everything with tone, clarity, and structure. Using it is simple. Open a page, press the AI button, describe what you need, and watch the layout build itself. If work feels chaotic, Notion AI becomes a second brain, one that makes every task faster and smarter.